Hi, this is Dansoy in the kitchen, aka Batman. Welcome to the food zone, where we learn new recipes together. Here's another smoothie, another GoodPop smoothie. It's the GoodPop orange and cream smoothie with vanilla almond milk. So we have 16 ounces of almond milk, which is vanilla. It's not unsweetened, so this has sugar in it, so it can make the smoothie sugary. And we have the GoodPop orange and cream sickles, and they're vegan. These are what the pops look like. So this is only a 5-minute smoothie recipe, and let's get started. Alright, so we're just going to take the top off, and we're going to take our almond milk, 16 ounces of almond milk, and we're going to add that into there. And like I said, that's vanilla almond milk. The next step, which is the last step, is easy. We're going to take these bars out of there and break them into the blender, and then we're done. Alright, so we're going to add the first bar. So you're going to just want to break that open and get it off the stick. And these, like I said, are vegan and good. Really good for you. Good taste. So we're just going to take the top now and put that on there. And we're just going to hit smoothie. And you can see it doesn't take long. It's already forming into cream. Yeah, so you can see how the cream is in there. That's orange orange cream sickle. So we're just gonna pour this into a mason jar like we normally do, and put a straw in there, and we're set. Alright, so we're set. You can see how smooth that is. And we're gonna pour that. That is a nice creamsicle. I just got it on the floor, but you can see what that is. And we're just gonna take a straw, and we got our orange creamsicle, which is vegan. It has vanilla milk in there, almond milk, which is non-dairy. The bar is non-dairy, but that is really good. It tastes like an orange creamsicle. So thanks for visiting my channel. Can you please subscribe, hit the bell, and like I said, I'll bring you 2 to 5 updates a week. I'm off work this week, so hopefully towards the middle and end of the week I can bring you a lot of different recipes. Peace out, Dansoy. Alright, so we're done, folks. Now I'm going to enjoy the smoothie, and I'm going to sign off. Love you. Peace.